Welcome back. This tutorial you will learn make battery icon and other icons bigger on your Android phone. Let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the settings page. Once you are in phone main settings, scroll all the way to very bottom, located the developer option. If you found them, tap to open it. However, if you don't find the developer option here, don't worry, you can turn it on. Simply open about phone. After that, scroll all the way to very bottom, go to software information. Look for the build number option, tap on it multiple times such as 7 or 8 times, then verify to enter your lock screen password. And right now the pop-up message developer mode has been turned on. After it's turned on, simply back to the main setting page, scroll down again, located the developer option appear, click on them. After that, scroll down all the way, scroll again. You can find the drawing section under various options. Located the minimum width option, tap on it. Right now this option is selected 360. You can simply erase it and this time type 340 or 320. After you type 320, simply tap OK. And right now this time your battery icon and other icon make it increase. That's it guys. You can easily make your battery icon and other icon bigger. Thanks for watching.